How to remove tarnish after you've used your Magnasonic Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner to clean your silver. Have you ever found that after a while your jewelry or flatware has lost its shine or looked downright dirty? Chances are you're looking at tarnish. What is tarnish? Tarnish is much like rust in the sense that it's caused by oxidation or exposure to air over time. The good news is, with an ultrasonic cleaner and a little bit of elbow grease, your silver will shine in no time. Here's what you'll need: the ultrasonic cleaner, some dish soap, warm water, a microfiber cloth. To start, use the ultrasonic cleaner to remove dirt and grime. Mix a small amount of dish soap with warm water in a separate bowl. Dip the microfiber cloth into the soapy water. Rub the silver with the wet cloth to remove the tarnish. Rinse the silver item in cold water. Dry the item with a soft cloth. After removing the tarnish, the last step is to buff the silver with another dry cloth to restore its shine. And you're done. Now you can marvel at that brilliant silver shine. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you found this useful.